Hi there, it's Sam from foodhills.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a reworking of a project I made years and years and years ago. And inside my little box, which is super cute, is a little Vaseline. So, Vaseline's not really all that special to look at. Dead easy to find, make marvellous stocking stuffers, teacher gifts and all of the like. And why not pretty it up to make it look lovely. So I'm going to put my ribbon on and show you how to make it. And like I say, these make great gifts for teachers, gifts for friends, little stocking stuffers, little extras, things like that. And I'm all about our beautiful cardstock. I think we've got such amazing colours that you don't need to do too much more to them on a nice little gift like this. So, piece of cardstock, I've gone for black, 7 by 4 inches, 7 by 4, 17.5 by 10 centimetres. And let me scooch those out of the way. I'm going to score the long side first at, where's my scoring tool? There it is. 1, 3, 4 and 6 inches, which in metric is 2.5, 7.5, 10 and 15 centimetres. Then turn it round and score it at 1 and 3. So the finished dimensions of the box, 2 by 2 by 1 inch, which in metric is 5 by 5 by 2.5 centimetres. And sorry, for metric folk on the short side, 2.5 and 7.5. So you're using minimal cardstock, maximum impact. Okay, so fold and burnish everything. These are quite nice to have on hand kind of all year round anyway. The boxes themselves, so this Vaseline is not 1 inch deep, it's actually about 3/4 of an inch deep, which in metric, it's not 2.5, it's going to be about, yeah, it's about 2 centimetres deep. But I decided I wanted to make the box a little deeper, just in case you didn't want to put Vaseline in it. Multi-purpose boxes, that's what I'm all about. So, okay, then we're going to put our cardstock on because it's easier to do it when it's flat. So we've got one piece at the top, and I went with Pacific Point. It's not an exact match to this, but then neither's Blueberry Bushel, but I liked the bright of that, and we went bright Melon Mambo, so we're going to go bright Pacific Point. So there's 1 for the top and 4 for the panels that go round it. So this is 1 3/4 by 1 3/4 inches, 4.5 by 4.5 centimetres. And then there's 4 of these that measure 1 3/4 by 3/4 of an inch, which is 4.5 by 2 centimetres. So they're going to go all on there. And I think the great thing about using cardstock colours is that you can match it to anything. Whatever you're putting inside it, whether you're going to put candles in there or sweeties or skincare products, multi-purpose skincare products. And the thing that with Vaseline, I mean, it's a brilliant, fix-all for everything. Helps your eyelashes grow, conditions them, great for lips, elbows, knees, all the everythings. Whenever you're at Boots or Superdrug, they're always right there at the till, and they're dead cheap as well. And they do come out with limited edition ones. When I used to work in the beauty industry, I would get the limited edition ones would be sent out in a PR pack to me, and it was brilliant. I loved them, and I'd get all of the different ones. Hence why this one here is a limited edition. Pink bubbly, petroleum jelly with a hint of decadence. Okay. But they come with big tins and small tins. They do a Christmas collection as well, of all things. Okay, so I'm going to turn it this way round, just so you can see it a little better. And you can see all of those squares, there's 6 of them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut straight down the rectangle and wedge into the square. So if I show you on the first one, in the light where you can see it. Okay, so that's wedged. And then I'm going to do the same on all 6 of those squares. Okay. I love getting and giving skincare bits for Christmas gifts, or just for gifts in general. Just the little ones. I like the little sample sizes, or the small things like this. It's the whole everything in miniature thing, but it's also the, oh, well, I can try it and see if I like it. Oh, look, there's another one. I can try and see if I like it. Oh, look, there's another one. And you can go with lots of different brands and try loads of different things. It's not going to bust the bank. Always a winner for me. Okay, so tear and tape. I'm going to put that on each of these squares. And I've gone too much on this one. I'm going to show you the wonder of tear and tape. So you can see I've got far too much that's sticking out across. So the wonder of tear and tape is, by the very nature of the fact that it's double-sided, if you do get too much, you just fold it over on itself and it'll stick down. Love it. I love tear and tape. It goes forever. I think I shared in a video recently, it's 27 metres, I think it is. Miles. Sort of a semi-exaggeration. Right, so this is the top and this is the base. So we're actually going to work on the base first. If I hadn't put the cardstock on, it wouldn't have made a difference because it's totally symmetrical, but obviously I have now, so I need to identify that. And all I'm doing is just folding round and building up the sides of the box. Okay. And then Vaseline in and close it up. And for ribbon, now I really, really, really wanted to use this ribbon. And it sits on my shelf like that. I use a Mossland shelf from IKEA for my ribbons because they don't move, and it sits like that, and I thought, brilliant, I've got plenty. And then I went, oh no, I haven't. I might add a push, but I don't think I will. I'm going to get the tiniest little knot in the world, and I'm not happy with that. So next best thing, the basic black satin ribbon. It's okay. Clearly I need to order some more. What a good excuse for an order. So that is called glittered organdy ribbon. And, oh, for goodness sake, I can't cut across my hands today. It's a bit chunkier than I wanted, but that's okay. And satin ribbon and I are not friends. It's a little bit on the slippery side for me. I don't even know where the end of that's gone. There we go. The most lopsided bow in the world, with one great long tail and a little one. Not to worry. There we go. And then I'm just going to pop some rhinestones on. Actually, I might put pearls on this one. Ooh, that would be swish, wouldn't it? Nice. I put pink rhinestones on there before, so I could go that. I wonder if I've got, where's my holiday ones? No. We'll have blue. These are from the holiday rhinestone collection, and you can see I have run out of, that was Coastal Cabana in that section, so it's a blue, there was a pale blue there, green, actually I want to say that's, yeah, that's Cherry Cobbler, and then Mango Melody I think it is. But that, easy peasy little cute gift. What do you think? I like them. I think they're so cute, and like I said, you could have a stash of those in your drawer ready to give out at emergency moments. And then if you don't need to give them out, you've got the Vaseline. That's a win. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.